Hello friends, my name is Arman Harutyunyan. I am a co-founder of Microlab software development company. Today I'm going to introduce you a small part of our software, in particular how we can use dynamic questionnaire. In this sheet we have all information. First column is populated with rows number. So we see 6, 7, 8. The next column contains our equations. In other columns, we can see suggested answers for each question. We see also that these questions don't have any suggested answers. It means that the user can fill in it manually. So friends, we can start. I'm sorry, I have forgotten to talk about comments. Numbers in this comment indicates the row number for the next question, and of course it depends on the answers. For this answer will be row 8, and for the next answer will be row 7. I hope the logic is clear. So let's start. Selecting this button, we will see this user form. Answering this question. By the way, when we don't answer current question and want to go further, by selecting button next, message box will appear with this text and inform us that you can now skip question, answers are required. So let's choose this one, male, and depends on this answer, our next question will be third question, and it's normal. At least I hope that it's normal. So manual answer 555. What is the contract number? So we can quickly answer for all questions. Finish. Selecting this button, complete test, will confirm our answers. By selecting cancel, another message box will appear with this information. This will delete your previous answers. Do you want to proceed? So we can confirm and all answers will be deleted. So friends, thanks for watching. In addition, I want to note that Microlab is open for cooperations.